Okay, here's Denise, and she'll be showing you how to use the wagtail correctly on a pole. She's just wet the glass down there so she could scrub. And by the way, this particular squeegee she's using, she has had for 12 years, so it's not a new one. And now Denise will show you the correct way to squeegee the glass. And notice while she's going down that she's standing just off to one side, which is correct way of doing it, and finish it up like this, and I suppose that's about it.